Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Given that there's a lot of versions of this song throughout the ages, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the version that I've come up with using my own ears when it comes to playing this song. So that's going to be the chord progressions and the plucking patterns that I'm going to be teaching you guys today, just to make it as foundational as much as possible when it comes to playing this song. And then after that, you guys can do whatever types of versions or whatever types of flair and style you want to do with this song, because it's just how popular this song is, to be honest. Pretty fun. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching these to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the G major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be the B minor 7 chord, E minor 7, C major 7, B flat major 7, E flat 7, A minor 7, D7, C minor 7, B7, D sharp diminished 7 chord, G sharp major 7, it's going to be the B sharp minor 7 chord, C sharp major 7 chord, D sharp 7, E diminished 7 chord, B sharp 7 chord, F minor 7, then it's going to be the B flat minor 7 chord. And that's all of the chords that we're going to use for this song. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So first up, we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. Waiting it out for one count, then once again, D, G, B strings, then slapping your fretboard, bass, D, G, B, waiting it out, D, G, B, then slapping your fretboard. So for chords such as the G major 7 chord, for example, the root note's going to be in the lower E string, so it's going to be lower E string, D, G, and the B strings all together, waiting it out for one count, once again, D, G, B, then slapping your fretboard. It's going to be. Yep, just like that. And for chords such as the C major 7 chord, your root note's going to be in the A string, so that's going to be A, D, G, B strings all together, waiting it out for one count, D, G, B, and slapping your fretboard. All in all, it's. Just like that. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro as well as the interlude sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the first and second verse sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Mayro'n ako nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong, alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig, matagal na akong naghihintay. naghihintay. Okay, so when it comes to the first and second pre-chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Ngunit mayro'n kang ibang minamahal, kung kaya ako ay di mo pinapansin. Ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Okay, so when it comes to the first and the second chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Okay, so when it comes to the third chorus section of this song, which shows a half step up of a key change after the second chorus section of the song, and the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, starting it all off with a G major 7 chord for 2 counts, it's going to be like this. Then the E flat 7 chord for 2 counts, and that's where the key change starts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nandito ako, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nandito ako. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.